Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi, the Frank Motors, Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai, Junka Tata Motors, Halatko, Ni Shillong, Rinkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakirdobying Jompi.
Ha kalas ni ublay ka arpoteri ko benai jelleu arajar arpoar u menteri rangba ka jella u Konrad Kongkel Sangma u lalecha ka snong Dangar bat Kenmynsaw ki snong ki bahab hapo ka Mausen Ram CNRD block na ka benta ban Kenmynsaw ya ki bahayeng hasem jong kito ki balado e yala ka jingim ha ka Jingtwa Khyndew ha kini ki khendiat sngi baladem. Hagani ka jinglet jingo jong menteri rangba ulapan bena baka Sorkar kan Jingïarap da ka song pisa sya ki bahayeng hasem jong ki bala Khlad ka basaw lak tingka na ka benta iwei di ba Khlad ka balong arpu pralak na ka benta ki henyongut ki bala Khlad. Menteri rangba ule Kenmynsaw ru ya ki nongelam snong bat ulakular haki baka Sorkar kan ki Jingïarap na ka benta ki jingdon kam jong ka snong namar ka jingsha penjulor hagabor Mariam. La ban penkin mau hang ni ba haga Jingtwa Khyndew namar ka jingjur slap palat hagini ki khendiat sngi kila don hadu sangut ki bala do e yala ka jingim haga snong Dangar bat ki bala Khlad no ki kinthup ya sangut ki khenna red kat ba Kenmynsaw pan ki bala Khlad ki dei ki arngut shikurim.
I first of all would express my deepest condolences to all of you for the demise and the death of the little children and of your daughter and of your younger sister. It was a very tragic incident that happened, and on behalf of the government, we are all here to share your sorrow and also to support in whatever way possible to help all of you get through this very, very difficult time. From the government side, as has been mentioned by the Honorable MLA, that there is an ex gratia amount of 4 lakhs per deceased, which will be amounting to total of 20 lakhs. And the BDO will sit with all of you, the family members, and decide on how we should move forward. But the sanction from the government side has been done, and we will be giving the sanction letter to you. So these are the sanctions.
Brothers, sisters.
Sisters, okay.
The brother of the lady.